Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the North Face Hedgehog Mid Futurelight walking boots. That is a bit of a long title for a boot, but these boots are fantastic. First off, they've taken the best bits of the North Face trail shoes, which is a highly recommended pedigree and a highly recommended trail shoe, which has been going for the past 10 plus years, very highly recommended, and they've adapted it into a walking boot. Obviously this isn't the first gen, they've had previous models, so this is just the latest version, but they've incorporated it, or North Face should I say, have incorporated it with their Futurelight membrane. So their membrane is super lightweight, it's super breathable, but it still offers amazing waterproofing as well. So it just marries the Hedgehog design lightweightness to the Futurelight. It's just something that should happen, and it has happened, and it's something to definitely consider. Obviously, you will still need to top up the DWR waterproofing on the outside, but you'll have to do that with any walking boot anyway, whether it's Gore-Tex, own brand, or Futurelight. Anyway, that's enough about those bits. Let's take a look at the boots themselves. So the pedigree is Hedgehog, so they're super lightweight. They're also basically with the Hedgehogs, they're almost aiming for out the box comfort. So you can put these boots fresh out the box, pop them on your feet, and then head to a trail. Now, I don't recommend going up mountains or anything, but if you've got any low level to mid level hikes, out the box, these will be great for you. And again, it's because of that pedigree. So you've got the mesh front there as well. So again, working with the Futurelight membrane, it means it's incredibly breathable, but also still nice and lightweight. That mesh front as well, that mesh paneling on there, tied in with the overall design on the side here. As you can see, the design links in nicely with the eyelets, means you get a nice closer fit from the word go, making it more comfortable from the word go. And then, yeah, just generally means the performance of the boot fresh out the box is absolutely fantastic. Moving around the boot itself, you've got some great protection, some heel box, you've got a nice toe box on there. So yeah, in all honesty, fresh out the box, it's an all-rounder. You won't have to do too much to bed these boots in. What's also great about these boots is that it features a Vibram sole. So working with the lightweightness of the boots, you get a sole that's nice and solid, but still offers flexibility. So again, it's almost like the perfect marriage, working with the overall design of the Hedgehog and then working with the Futurelight membrane. It just seems to tick the boxes. The grip itself has great variancy to it. So it's deeper in areas, it's less deep, should I say, if that's a word, in areas, or shallower. That'd be a much better word to say, Sean. It's shallower in areas. But basically what that means is no matter what sort of terrain that you're going to be walking on, this boot's going to offer you the grip that you need. And also as well, it works in all types of weathers, whether it's rain, snow, or desert, hot, sunshine. The grip on this boot will not let you down. And again, that works nicely with the Hedgehog pedigree. So what do I want to say? What's the best way? Who's this boot for? So, adventurer. If you're going on an adventure, you're going and doing a bit of backpacking, a bit of trailing for a couple of months in hot climates, but you need the support of a walking boot, then this is definitely something to consider. If you're going hiking during the spring, summer, and early autumn, and you really want to keep your pack weight and your overall weight light, this is something to consider. If you own a pair of trail shoes and you want to replicate that in a walking boot, guess what? This is gonna, it's gonna aid for that. It's gonna tick all the boxes. Basically, what I'm saying is that this is pretty much suited for all types of hiking. I mean, I wouldn't go scrambling level 1 and beyond in this boot. You're going to need something serious for that. But if it's for, like I said before, backpacking, a bit of lightweight trekking, and again, fast packing, because they're so lightweight, the Vibram sole is going to give you the grip that you need, but you have that flexibility. If you're doing a bit of fast-paced hiking, but again, you need the support, this is something definitely to consider. So if you want to find out more about these boots, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. You'll find out all the information over there. And then, yeah, hopefully, it will help you with your purchase. And whilst I'm on the subject of webtogs.com, we are now running an awesome scheme where with every order that you put through our website, we will plant a tree. Now that sounds awesome, and it is awesome, but if you coincide that with our low carbon emissions, at the moment we've nearly reduced our carbon emissions. They're sitting at, as of recording, 93.5%. So if you were to purchase these boots or anything else from webtogs.com, we will plant a tree. Now that one tree's carbon emission will eliminate the carbon footprint of 3 other orders from our website. How awesome is that? Anyway, if you want to find out more about that scheme, and again on these boots, just head over to our website, webtogs.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trails.